morning, dear students. I am Miss NAVEDA SHAIKH from Brahan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's session, we'll be learning something new and interesting from a science textbook. So let's get started. Good morning, dear students. I am Miss NAVEDA SHAIKH from MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's class, we'll be learning a very interesting chapter from your Science 2 textbook, that is towards green energy. Now, in our previous class, we have already learned about few things about the ecosystem, how the ecosystem is useful to us, and what are the problems that we are facing nowadays, how it needs to be managed, right? And apart from that, today this chapter is related to that chapter also. So please see to it that you'll watch the previous video, and then we could get a good understanding about this chapter as well. Now, why is the name given to us as towards green energy? Now, we have already seen that how our ecosystem is very important to us, and if we make use of the resources which are there, like the fuel, the fossil fuel, the natural oils, if we are making use of it too much, then it is going to affect our environment and it is going to extinguish. So we need to move on to certain methods in order to produce energy in our day-to-day life for our daily purposes. So in this chapter, let us understand how we can move towards green energy to make our environment a better place and a safer place to live. So in this chapter, we will be learning about the use of various energy sources, generation of electrical energy. Before we start on, let us understand what is energy, what are different types of energy, and so first let us understand about what is energy. When you look, so let us see a few types of energy. First is mechanical energy. Let us understand about the forms of energy. Now, as you know, now with this picture also, it is very clearly shown about. Let us see a few uses of electricity in our daily. Now we have electricity generated from. Let us understand energy and use of energy. In modern civilization, energy has become a primary need along with food, clothing and shelter. ठीक है, आजकल हमारे पास मोबाइल फोन्स के बगैर you all cannot even study. Okay, during the COVID times now, you need mobile phones, you need laptops, and they are very essential, right? Along with your food, clothing and shelter, energy is also very important. We need energy in different forms for diverse types of work. अलग अलग काम के लिए अलग अलग types of energy का इस्तेमाल होता है. The energy that we need may be in the form of mechanical energy, chemical energy, sound energy, light energy or heat energy. Energy can be converted from one form to another. Let us understand about generation. Most of the electrical power plants are based on the principle of electromagnetic induction invented by Michael Faraday. Now, as I told you that electricity is required in everyday purpose, from the morning you get up till the night time you go to sleep and even after that. So it is important for us to understand how this electricity is generated. Now, most of the power plants are working on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which was invented by Michael Faraday. Now, this is Michael Faraday. According to this principle, whenever magnetic field around a conductor changes, a potential difference is generated across the conductor. Now, this is what happens. Now, whenever the magnetic field around the conductor, अब यहाँ पे एक कंडक्टर दिख रहा है, मैग्नेट दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, जैसे ही वो चेंज होगा उसके अंदर पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज जनरेटेड अक्रॉस द कंडक्टर. इसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है. The field around a conductor can be changed in two ways.
If a conductor is stationary means at rest and magnet is rotating. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर दो चीजों का इंपॉर्टेंस है, कंडक्टर और मैग्नेट. अगर कंडक्टर एक जगह पर स्टेशनरी है मतलब रुका हुआ है और मैग्नेट अगर मूव हो रहा है, जैसे कि प्रीवियस स्लाइड में हम लोगों ने देखे थे, द फील्ड अराउंड द कंडक्टर चेंजेस, और इफ अ मैग्नेट इज स्टेशनरी बट द कंडक्टर इज मूविंग, देन also the field around the conductor will change. मतलब उसके आसपास की जो field है that around the conductor will also change. ठीक है. Thus in both these cases a potential difference is created across the conductor. Means चाहे conductor stationary हो चाहे magnet stationary हो, potential difference create होता ही है across the conductor. The electrical power generating machine based on this principle is called electric generators. ठीक है, जो electric power generating machines है, such large generators are used in commercial power generation plants. Now here you can see that generators, अब ये छोटी सी मशीन थी, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे किस तरीके से ये बड़ी एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करती है. तो इसी तरीके के यही प्रिंसिपल पे बेस्ड बड़े बड़े सेटअप्स होते हैं जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ठीक है, सो सच लार्ज जनरेटर्स आर यूज्ड इन कमर्शियल पावर जनरेशन प्लांट्स. टर्बाइन इज यूज्ड टू रोटेट द मैग्नेट. अब यहाँ पर टर्बाइंस होती है, बड़ी बड़ी रिंग्स होती है, टर्बाइंस होती है जो यूज होती है, जो मैग्नेट को रोटेट करती है इन द जनरेटर. अ टर्बाइन हैज ब्लेड्स. रिमेंबर दिस. When a flow of liquid or gas is directed on the blades of the turbine, मतलब अगर उसके ऊपर पानी पड़ता है या फिर हवा लगती है ये टर्बाइंस की ब्लेड पे, तो it starts to move. ठीक है, it rotates because of kinetic energy of the flow. This turbine is connected to the electric generator. ये जो टर्बाइंस है ये इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. Thus the magnet in electric generator starts rotating and electric energy is produced. तो जो मैग्नेट है इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर्स में ये मूव होने लगते हैं और इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है. Let us see how these turbines. Now to generate electricity based on the principle of electromagnetic induction, we need a generator. To rotate the generator, we need a turbine. And to drive the turbine, we need a energy source. Means हर एक चीज के लिए एक चीज जरूरी है. अगर हमारे पास सिर्फ टर्बाइन है और एनर्जी सोर्स नहीं है, लाइक वाटर नहीं है, पानी नहीं है या गैस नहीं है अंडर प्रेशर, तो ये टर्बाइंस मूव ही नहीं होगी. ठीक है, अगर टर्बाइंस है और जनरेटर्स नहीं है तो ये एनर्जी कन्वर्ट ही नहीं होगी. तो एवरीथिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So in order to have electricity being generated, you need a generator. और जनरेटर को रोटेट करने के लिए टर्बाइंस की जरूरत है और टर्बाइंस को मूव करने के लिए एनर्जी सोर्स की जरूरत है जो कि है वाटर या फिर एयर. अंडरस्टूड? Based on which type of energy source is used to rotate the turbine, there are different types of power generating stations. ठीक है, suppose now this is how huge a turbine is. Okay, I hope looking at this it is making a quite sense कि किस तरीके से पानी इतना जोर से जब वो पानी गिरता है, नॉर्मल सा फैन वैन नहीं होता है, इतने बड़े बड़े टर्बाइन होते हैं जिसकी मदद से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है. Now these are, I hope this picture is quite clear to all of you to make you understand how huge and how big the turbines are. Now let us understand about proper energy source to run the turbine. What are the things which are essential? Proper energy source to run the turbine like water, air. Then you need turbine. ठीक है. Then turbine को क्या connected होता है? Generator. And generators को क्या connected क्या मिलता है? Electrical energy. I hope with this this part of the chapter is quite clear to all of you. In the next coming period, we'll be learning something new and interesting. Till then, thank you. If you like the session, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel,
so that you can share and view the videos that we had today for you. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you remain updated with all the latest videos that we'll be making for our dear students. This session was quite useful to you. In the next coming period, we'll learn something new and interesting. Till then, thank you.